Hey everybody, I'm W, and today we're going to dive into the world of image file formats. If you've ever wondered how to optimize your images for the web without compromising quality, well, you're in the right place. We'll be talking about a specific format that's gaining popularity. It's called WebP. Now you might be asking yourself, what's WebP? Well, WebP is an image format developed by Google that provides excellent compression without sacrificing any video quality. It's pretty cool. And it's like a superhero of file images, offering smaller file sizes and maintaining sharpness and color richness. And it's all free, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So to get started, we're going to come out to VertexShare.com. Okay, let's get started. I need to make myself small. Hey, so I'm out here on VertexShare.com. This is a pretty nice online web tool. Everything I've found so far is absolutely free. And you know me, I'm always looking for the free online tools. And over here on the one corner, you could see that there's a few different AI tools. But the one we're going to be talking about is WebP Converter. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now once you're here, I want to make sure that you guys realize this. There is a way to download a version of this that's compatible, as you can see, with Windows and Mac. So we're going to go ahead and click on that just real quick, and when you do, you can see it's got a real nice clean interface here, and I'm going to grab one and I'm going to pull this over here. I've already downloaded this. I use this. I've been using this for years. Now this version came out several years ago. It's freeware, so once you download it, there isn't anything else you need to do, but it's very, very simple. And the one nice thing about this is that you can put the path that you want in the settings, and then of course down here you can grab this little bar here and you can compress the file a little bit more. I leave mine as default. The more you compress, you will start seeing some quality issues, but as long as you leave it standard default, you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and close this because for this video, we're going to stay with the online converter. Again, very, very simple. So from here, you have your drop and your drag area, and we'll pull some files over here and we'll do this for you. And then down here in the output, this is really important. If you want to change the output, you can click here and you can start off with whatever you're looking for. So if you have a PNG file and you want to convert it to a JPEG file, you can do that. If you have one that's a PNG file, which is what we're going to look at, and we're going to convert it to a WebP, that's going to be your output. And then you can even put in here, it'll keep it the standard size, and then the quantity. But again, for this demonstration, we're just going to keep it the same. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab an image, and we'll take a look at it together. So we'll grab this image. This image is 46 kilobytes, and you know what? I'm gonna make it bigger. So I'm going to grab a file here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to bring it up.
Listen carefully.
This is one of our t-shirts. As you can see, I'm wearing one right now. If you'd like to order one, there'll be a link down in the description. You'll look fabulous. Fabulous! And we'll appreciate your support. But this is what it looks like. And if you look at the overall file size, I'll slide this over. It's 46 kilobytes. Now that's important because once we slide this over, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the file and we're just going to drop and drag it right into the area there, and it's going to show it to you. And down here it's going to show you the file size. Now that's important because, like I said, this is going to not only convert it over to the other format, but it's also going to compress the size of the file a little bit. It's normally about a 25% compression. So we're just going to click start. So then if we come up here, you can see that it has already converted it to a WebP. So it's instant. And if we click on the file size and we open it up, I have it over here. I'll go ahead and bring that open. You can see right here that it took it from 47 kilobytes to 26.4 kilobytes. So in this case, close to 50%. And if I open it up all the way, the quality is fantastic, the same as it was before. It's pretty cool. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, please do me a favor and consider subscribing. Go ahead and click that button down at the bottom, and also give us the thumbs up and give us a like. It's a little step for you, but it's a big step for us and our goal to grow our channel. Thank you. All right. So you know what? We'll remove that. Let's do that one more time. We'll grab another file. Let's grab one of our hats. And this is 131 kilobytes. And if I click start, boom, it's already done. Let's open that file up. That's looking good. Again, if you're interested, check out the description below. There'll be links down there for you. We'd love to see you wearing one of our hats and showing off your support. If I'm looking at the file size, we'll bring this over. We've gone from 131 kilobytes to 81 kilobytes. Pretty significant, and it's really important if you think about file size and trying to keep all of your files in your storage as small as possible. Okay, well again,
That's what she said.
if you like these types of tutorials, you should check out the next video, as we have several free tools that are available to you on our website, needycatmedia.com, that I really think you'll enjoy. You should check them out.